Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you to what I call the positive push-up challenge. It's not really a challenge, actually. It's a simple activity that you can actually carry out every morning. It's as simple as for every push-up, you say something positive about yourself. This is a great way to combine spiritual exercise with physical exercise. Many of you like to pray in the morning. Why not combine prayer with these positive push-ups? PPPU, the prayer positive push-ups. PPPU. Yes. So, this is how it works. I am blessed. I am favored. God is by my side. I'm going forward. Good things are coming to me today. I shall be lifted up. You stay up until you say something good, amen?